It's becoming more challenging kasi dumadami naman talaga yung mga sasakyan natin. They did not have a visual assessment kung gaano ba kalala yung problema. Pinalipad namin yung drone, so nakita namin na hindi lang pala ito ang kailangan natin ilinisin, sa dulo pa. So yun nakikita namin na yung use ng drone. I'm Edison Bong Nebriha. I'm the commander of the new Task Force Special Operations Unit of MMDA. With the word special operations, so we do almost everything that is mandated by MMDA, when it regards to traffic management and enforcement. There's a big disparity between the available road networks and the number of vehicles, yung volume of vehicles natin. So dumadami yung sasakyan, hindi naman nag-expand yung kalsada. The dynamics of the traffic now is so different. Talagang marami ng challenges. And besides, nagbabago rin yung road configurations natin. Like in EDSA, meron na tayong bike lane, meron na tayong busway, di ba? In Commonwealth, meron na tayong motorcycle lane, meron tayong bike lane. So all of this, we are adjusting our management and enforcement. Dati, anong ginagawa ng MMDA to monitor traffic on EDSA? May lilipad na eroplano na Cessna. Titignan niya, traffic dito sa Commonwealth. Pag tumukod ng Commonwealth, kailangan pa lumipad yung eroplano para tingnan kung saan yung problema, saan tumutukod, di ba? Sa Shaw Boulevard. Ang haba na natukod, bakit hindi gumagalaw? Hanggang sa tola na yung traffic. You know what we do? Camera 1, camera 2, camera 3, camera 4. Chine-check namin bawat camera, saan ba yung problema, di ba? Where in fact, if you could fly the drone, ito yung dulo, ayun yung problema. It has helped us, yung sinasabi ko nga sa inyo, yung monitoring, it helped us in assessing yung area na ino-operate namin. It has also gave us an overall picture of the place that we are operating, not only on traffic, but also in flood control. Ang maganda yung geofencing na yung map out namin. May mapping capability yung namin, yung mga drones namin. So, ang inaano namin, nung pinapalipad namin yan, may kasama ako nung nagre-render siya nung mapping. Kasi sa mapping, makikita mo rin yung elevation, yung difference in elevation. Kaya sabi nga namin, so makikita mo na kung anong lowest point in the community. So, kung magkaroon ng ulan, all water will be going there if the drainage cannot accommodate there. So, yun yung capability na natutuwa ako. My foresight there is that we need to assist our traffic management and enforcement, our estero cleanup, and other things in MMDA through the use of technology. Diba? And nakaka-amaze, dahil yung QCPD, si General Nick Torre, they're using drones and catching criminals. Why can't we catch yung traffic violators using drones, di ba? Ang laking bagay yung assistance, technology assistance to what we're doing. Now, we cannot, it will take a lot of manpower for us to do without it. If we can do an operations na 20 katao, with the help of drones na nagkakaroon ka ng overall assessment ng area na i-operate mo, you can operate lesser than that. So, I think how it would help us is making our operations more efficient and effective. Kasi efficient in a sense na hindi mo na kailangan ng maraming tao to operate, and effective, you will be accomplishing the same or accomplishing more. So, I think with the help of technology like drones, I think we will be at par in the future.